Hi, welcome to Different Math. In this video, I will going to solve how to graph y is equals to minus 1 over 2x in two different methods. Our first method is how to graph y is equals to minus 1 over 2x. Our equation is slope-intercept form, but here y-intercept is not given. So means here the y-intercept is 0. If I want to plot or graph for the given equation, how I will going to take the numbers for x and y coordinates. So the first quickly you have to take a point on the graph is 0. This is a point where you can get first point, and the rest of the point we are going to consider. For suppose our first point that we know it from the equation, here the y-intercept is 0 because our slope intercept equation is y is equals to mx plus c. Here m is slope and here c is y-intercept. So this equation is telling us our first point on the graph is 0. The first point we get for the given equation, that is y point. So when our y-intercept here in the equation, our y-intercept point is 0. So for the given y-intercept point, x is always 0. So now for the further point, I'm going to plug in some values here. If I decided to plug in 1 here, so I got the value in decimals. For suppose I am going to plug in minus 1 over minus 0.5. So, but I want my number will come in one's value, not in decimal. For that, I will consider the number 2 on the x-axis. So as I plug in the number 2 here, and this is the x value, so I got minus 1. So our first point is minus 1. And then I select 4. So I got minus 2. And now I'm going to select some more number that is minus 2. And I got positive 1. And then minus 4 give us positive 2. Now I'm going to plug in the x and y coordinate on the graph. So our first value that I'm going to plug in is 0 that we got from the given equation. This is 0. But the next is 2 on x-axis minus 1 or minus 1 on y-axis. So 2 on x-axis and minus 1 on y-axis, right? And then again 4 on y-axis and minus 2 on y-axis, minus 2 on x-axis and 1 on y-axis. Sorry, here, positive. And minus 4 on y-axis, but I'm going to erase it. So this is the line that I got for the equation. For the second method, we are going to use the slope value to find out some points and plot the given equation. So y-intercept is 0, so our first point is 0. I'll find out the second point that we are going to find out from our slope, that is m is equals to minus 1 over 2. So our rise is -1 and our run is 2. So rise here we have a negative slope. So we are going to move down by 1 unit. So this is our 1 unit. This is 1 rise, -1. And then 2 times run. So run on the x-axis. So this is run. Again, add, so we got one more point. Here we go. And then again, 1 down and 1 downside rise and 2 run. So we got one more point here. In the same way, we got another rise, 1 rise and 2 run. So we got 3 points in this way. So here we have the line of equation for the given slope intercept equation.